Email marketing has been becoming more and more relevant since the beginning of the pandemic. McKinsey and the company found that 75% of US consumers are trying a new shopping behavior in response to restrictions. For the companies like yours, it means that there's a lot of competition in the customers' mailboxes. So what can you do to stand out and make the customers open your emails? Let's look at 9 trends that can help you boost your email marketing campaigns this year. If you're new to this channel, my name is Kasey. I run Luck & Co. Agency. We're an agency that helps 7- and 8-figure e-commerce brands with email and SMS marketing. And on this channel, I spill almost all of our secrets so that you can do the same for your brand. Without further ado, let's get started. Oh, wait, did you hit like and subscribe buttons? What about now? Please do. Great. Now, let's get started. Trend number 1, minimalism. While those beautifully designed emails with a lot of nice pictures and colors work great for some campaigns, and honestly, we create a ton of those, very simple emails with plain text have proven to be more effective for some other campaigns. The most important emails that we get are from work and people that we know. And those emails are usually very simple and text-based. Also, minimalism is a growing trend this year because it helps people focus on the message you're trying to deliver. If you haven't tested the plain text emails yet, give them a try. Trend number 2, advanced email personalization. Yes, personalization has been a big trend in email marketing for years. Your customers give you a lot of their personal information, such as their names, the place they live, items they bought, and their preferences. Use this information to create even more personalized emails. Here's an example from a lingerie brand, Adore Me. It's a win-back email that's totally personalized to me. As you'd expect, they use my first name in both the subject line and the body of the email, but they go beyond that. They say payment vacation is ending soon because I put my membership on pause and that pause is about to end. They also do a cute recap of my history with the brand without making it feel forced by mentioning the date I first made a purchase with them, and honestly I was surprised it was so long ago, and how many items I've bought. Then they do the Kasey edit, a collection of products personalized to me with that exact headline. The button under this collage is also personalized with my size, which says shop, and then my bra size, which I will leave out of this video just to maintain some privacy. This is an example of the next level email personalization. Hopefully this inspired some ideas for your own emails. Make sure you write them down right now and implement right after watching this video. Trend number 3, employ AI. To achieve the level of personalization that we just discussed, you should start using AI, or artificial intelligence. I promise it's not as scary as it sounds. Your email platform probably already has a strong data engine and allows you to easily use the collected data. My favorite email platform, Klaviyo, definitely does. If you want to check them out, I dropped a link under this video to get started on Klaviyo for free. Here are a few examples of what you can do with AI in email. Number 1, build an email automation that shoots out a win-back email right around the time the shopper is most likely to reorder. Number 2, figure out the most optimal sending time for your specific audience, or insert a personalized product carousel based on the recipient browsing and purchasing history. Needless to say, all of these things lead to higher conversion rates, so make sure you're investing in an email platform that is focused on data. Number 4, replace generic call to action. We've all seen this call to action: buy now, shop now, join now, learn more, and so on. And because they're used so often, they don't really work anymore. By using these cliche phrases, you're missing potential clicks from your subscribers. Try use a phrase that will appeal to your customer's pain or goal. For example, if you're selling a vacuum cleaner, instead of saying buy now in your email, you can say clean up or let's get clean or something like that. Don't get too carried away though. Your call to action should still be clear, even if you're being clever. It should always make sense to all of your readers, otherwise they won't click. Number 5, interactive emails. Allowing subscribers to interact with your email increases engagement, which makes them more likely to buy whatever it is you're selling. Try to turn your subscribers from passive to active readers. Engage them with polls, surveys, user-generated content, gamification elements, animated GIFs, or image rollover effects. All of these elements can help you increase your customers' interest in your emails, which will lead to a growth in open rate and conversion. In addition, different kinds of surveys and polls can provide important insights to make your email campaigns more efficient in the future. Number 6, short-form emails. The next email marketing trend that you should try this year is short emails. It's no secret that our attention span has shrank to smaller than we could have ever imagined. I sometimes can't go through writing a work email without checking something in another tab or checking my inbox. Your subscribers are no different. I know how tempting it is to put all of the info about your new product or brand into the email, but you have to realize that most of that information will go unread. Short emails feel much better to your subscribers. When they open and see that they won't have to process too much info to get the email in front of them, that generates a positive reaction. As a result, more people click through your short emails and eventually more people buy. It's good for your readers and it's good for you too, as most of the time short emails are faster to create. Make sure you give them a try. Trend number 7, say goodbye to open rates. After Apple's new privacy settings, companies can't track who opened emails and who didn't on Apple devices anymore. It's likely just a matter of time before other tech companies will follow the suit. So as a result, you need new indicators of engagement because the open rate is not reliable anymore. Email click rate and website activity are some great ones to use in your segmentation and analytics. Trend number 8, focus on privacy. The focus on privacy is a growing trend in marketing overall, so as an email marketer, you need to pay attention. I've always said this, but this is now true more than ever before. Don't obscure your unsubscribe link and make it easy and effortless to unsubscribe from your emails for those who want out. Additionally, if you offer communication frequency preferences, which is definitely a good idea, make sure that you honor your subscribers' choice. And if they said they only want to hear from you once a month, you don't email them more often than that. Number 9, add SMS marketing to the mix. Finally, the last trend I'll cover today is SMS marketing. Yes, it's technically not email marketing, but those two channels really go together like peanut butter and jelly, so I had to mention it. More and more brands now offer SMS marketing as another way to connect with their audience, and people take advantage of that. I highly recommend adding SMS marketing to your mix. If you need any help with it, check out the videos that I linked in the corner. Thank you for watching until the end. I hope that this video will help you improve your email marketing strategy in 2023 and beyond. If you want to know 10 secrets that will help you make your marketing campaign more successful, check out this video. As always, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. All of those things really help us a ton and they will help you see more content about e-commerce and email marketing in the future. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks.